Hi guys, happy week 10, day 2. I'm going to go over today's lessons. Now it is very important that you reflect back on the work that's in the modules today. This is a large grade and it's one of the first grades of the brand new quarter, so it's very important that you do this. So if I go to week 10, we've already talked about this on Monday or Tuesday, and we are on week 2. I'm sorry, day 2. So these are the slides I'm going to go over. Here's a list of tone words that are like a word bank for you that are split up into positive and negative connotations, and there are some neutral ones as well. And then and then the work today is mood, tone, music, and writing. So you need to pull this up while I have the slides. Okay. Now, since you missed class, if you have any questions, just email me. It is very important that you have access to these slides to do on your own. So I'm going to go through until I do today's clue. So this is a video that you need to watch about facial expressions and how they show tone. This is on your assignment. So if I show you guys right here, this is where you answer it. Remember, you click text box and you click to type. So the directions tell you, let's see it. Famous pair strategy modeling. Wow, that was bad. So basically, you pick a tone that matches the facial expressions. So you look at that tone list and you think, what word would match this emotion? For example, if I look at this one, I might say surprised. You might take it differently and you might say something a little different, but I'll let you pick out those words yourself. And so that's one of the first activities you do. Here's a list of all the tone words as well. If you want on the slides, it is there for you. Determining tones through music, we talked a little bit about this, and so here is this on your thing. So you're to listen to this song, and you're going to scroll down all the way to right here. So you listen to the song, and then you fill out boxes 1, 2, and 3. You listen, tell you how it makes you feel, and then the different parts of that affect the tone. The rhythm, the dynamics, the instruments, and the sound. So after you listen to that video, you can listen to it twice if that helps you. Actually, you can listen to it as many times as you want. This just kind of explains that a little bit more. And then the writing activity. So the writing activity, this is all what we've done in class. That is right here. So you listen to it again, and I actually have an example for you. Please don't use my example. This is just an example to help you out. So as the music plays again, you get to create a scene that matches that tone. So mine was setting would be at the playground. And then at time of day or year, I said it was fall, afternoon. Now this is your choice. Character description. So I had 3 characters of my story. I had mom. She was worried about her kids, but she loves to watch them play. Little girl. She's excited about being at the playground, wants to enjoy the moment. Little brother, he's competitive with his sister, wants to be better, faster. So I put my conflict originally was that if someone falls down, they're competitive, stuff like that. As I was writing, I changed my story. Now remember, this is just an outline. They don't have to be absolutely perfect. So here's what I wrote. I'm going to look for key words that impact the tone, which is a lot of connotative words. I sit on the cool bench during a beautiful fall day. I look around at the beauty around me. The crisp fall leaves are turning beautiful colors. I look at the fluffy white clouds and I'm at peace with how it hugs the sky. I glance at my 2 beautiful children as they play around the different parts of the playground. Tara joyfully jumps off the swings as Frankie continues. They are so different. Tara is enjoying every second while Frankie works to be better at everything. They jump, they run, they play. I see giggling and I'm content that, for the most part, my fiery children are getting along. Then I see Frankie fall off the slide. His eyes begin to water and his face turns sour. I rush over to him. I go in for the hug, but in reality, he wants his older sister. She takes his hand and gives a soft smile. These are the moments they don't prepare you for as a parent. The moments where something that should be sad turns into utter joy. My babies loving each other and being there when someone is down. Now look at some of those words. I'll highlight them for you. What words strike you as a lot of connotation? Cool bench, maybe. Beautiful fall day. The word beauty. Beautiful. Fluffy white clouds. Peace. Hugs the sky. I'm looking for things, and those all have a very positive connotation. I use the word beautiful way too many times. Different parts of the joyfully. A lot of those adjectives, babes. They jump, they run. Giggling. Content. Fiery. Well, these are negative words, but sour. soft smile. So utter joy. Perfect. So that is everything that I have for you guys today for the actual, what we did during class. What is for homework today is this. You have an example here, so it's assignment C. Whatever is highlighted is what you're expected to do. So use the example to help you out. It says now that you've selected 2 facial tone pairings, you pick 2 words, one here, one here. You are going to write a paragraph where that tone is expressed. So you're not using that word at all throughout your paragraphs. You are writing tone paragraphs. So you're writing this ecstatic. You can read that on your own. For these, it's the same thing. You pick a tone. It could be from the list above or that list of tone words that you have. And then you write a paragraph using that tone with this as your sentence starter. So you can pick 2 of the 4 for you guys today. As always, let me know if you have questions and have a good day.